If you've ever managed an AI project, you've probably felt it, right? That little sense that the old rules, they just don't quite apply. Timelines get slippery, goals start to shift, and what seems totally straightforward at the beginning turns into this incredibly complex puzzle. Well, guess what? You're not wrong. Managing AI is a fundamentally different challenge, and it really does require a new way of thinking. So let's get into it.
Now, just so you know, what we're breaking down here comes straight from the first chapter of a really comprehensive course by Virtualization Options LLC. It's all about comparing different project management styles for AI. We're starting with the absolute fundamentals, just understanding why these projects are such a unique beast. If you can get this part right, you are already way ahead of the curve.
So, this is the big one, isn't it? The question that probably keeps a lot of managers up at night. Why on earth are our AI projects so difficult to get right? It often feels like you're trying to find your way through a maze in the dark, balancing all this tech complexity with business uncertainty. Well, the answer really lies in getting a handle on their basic nature.
Okay, let's start by framing this whole thing as the AI project puzzle. First, we have to really understand why these initiatives are so different from the kind of traditional projects we're all used to managing. This isn't just about a new piece of software. We're talking about a whole new category of work.
And this slide really paints the picture, doesn't it? On one side, you've got traditional projects. We know these. They have predictable outcomes, you define the requirements up front, and you move in a pretty straight line from A to B. But AI projects? Oh, they're a whole different ballgame. They are just filled with uncertainty from the get-go. The very definition of success might actually change as you learn more. And the whole process is experimental. It's iterative. You're not just building something, you're on a journey of discovery.
So it makes sense, right? If the nature of the project is different, then its life cycle is going to be different too. Understanding this unique life cycle is kind of like getting the picture on the puzzle box. It gives you that map you need to start putting all the pieces together in the right order.
So here are the typical phases you'll go through. It kicks off with defining the problem, then you're into data prep, model development, all the way through to monitoring it in the wild. But, and this is a big but, don't let this nice, neat list fool you into thinking it's a straight line. It's not. It's a cycle. Teams often have to loop back from, say, model development, all the way back to data prep, or even back to square one, redefining the problem because of something they learned. It's a super dynamic, looping process.
And check this out. This single number is one of the biggest, and I mean biggest, surprises for any manager new to the AI space. A huge 60 to 80% of the total project effort isn't spent on the cool, flashy algorithm. Nope, it's spent right here in data preparation. That's the majority of your team's time just finding, cleaning, labeling, and structuring the data. As a manager, you just have to plan for that reality.
So here's the crucial takeaway. Neglecting those early phases, the problem definition and the data work, is the #1 reason AI projects go off the rails. If the problem isn't defined just right, or that data work is rushed, you're going to end up with misaligned expectations, or worse, chasing goals that were never even technically possible in the first place. It always comes back to getting that foundation right.
Okay, so we've spent some time defining the puzzle and looking at all its tricky pieces. Now, let's talk about the blueprint for actually solving it. It turns out there are 4 really critical factors that every single manager needs to get a handle on.
I want you to think of these as the 4 pillars holding up any successful AI initiative. You need clear business objectives. You absolutely have to have data readiness. You need truly cross-functional teams. And you have to practice what we call adaptive governance. Let's just quickly touch on what each of these really means for you.
First up, clear business objectives. This is where you, as the manager, really set the course. It's just not enough to say, hey, we want to use AI. You've got to ask the tough questions. What specific, measurable thing are we trying to achieve here? And how does this project directly help our company's overall strategy? Everyone on the team, from the data scientist all the way up to the CEO, needs to have the same answer to that question.
Second, data readiness. And let me tell you, this pillar is completely non-negotiable. Before anyone writes a single line of model code, you have to ask, do we have the data? Is it clean? Is it actually accessible? Look, an AI model is only ever as good as the data it's trained on. So thinking about your data governance and infrastructure isn't some side technical detail. It's a day-one strategic priority.
Third, cross-functional teams. AI is not an IT project that you can just hand off to some siloed team and forget about. Success absolutely demands a real partnership. You need your business experts who know the domain inside and out, your data scientists who can build the models, and your engineers who can actually plug it all into your systems. Collaboration is literally everything.
And finally, adaptive governance. This is all about finding that sweet spot, that right balance. Traditional project management might demand a totally fixed budget and a rigid timeline. But in the world of AI, you need flexibility. That means letting your team run small experiments that, might not pan out. It means being able to pivot the project's goals based on what the data's telling you. Your whole framework has to support learning and adapting, not just enforcing some static plan.
So I want to leave you with this question to really think about. As you're managing these incredibly complex projects, what's the real goal? Are you just focused on shipping a single algorithm? Or are you playing the long game, strategically building a long-term organizational capability? The answer to that question is going to define not just the success of your next project, but your company's entire future in an AI-driven world.